Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about the initial settings and toolbars and tools required for 2D sketches. So in this AutoCAD workstation, if you observe that file, edit, view, insert, this one we call it as menu bar. Whereas if you see this one, model, some grid shape, we call it as status bar. We call file edit, we call it as menu bar. This one is status bar. And this strip through which we will enter the input, we are calling it as command line. If the command line is missing from your side, please press Control 9. Control plus 9. Control 9. Okay. So what are the tools and toolbars required for drawing 2D sketches? Majorly, we need 5 toolbars. What are those toolbars? Draw toolbar, modify toolbar, properties toolbar, dimension toolbar, view toolbar. What are the toolbars? Draw toolbar, modify toolbar, properties toolbar, view toolbar, and dimension toolbar. So how to get those toolbars? In the menu bar, go to Tools, Tools, Toolbars, AutoCAD, and these are the list of toolbars that are available to you in chronological order. As per the requirement, we will opt the toolbar what we desire. So we need draw toolbar, modify toolbar. This is the modify toolbar. Toolbars. Next one, properties toolbar. This is the properties toolbar. Tools, toolbars, AutoCAD, and next one is the view toolbar. Tools, toolbars, AutoCAD, dimension toolbar. Dimension toolbar. So if any toolbar is missing from your side, you can bring it like that. After placing all the toolbars side by side, initial settings, how we are going to enter. So initially in the command line, we'll type the first command of the AutoCAD, units, enter. One dialog box is opened here with the name drawing units. In that precision will be there, convert to 0. By default, it will be in the inches in many of the softwares. So millimeters. Okay. Next one. Next command, limits. Initially, it asks about the lower left corner, that is the origin, 0, comma 0. Next one, specify the right corner, 420, comma 297. That is the standard A3 paper size. As per the requirement of your paper size, we are able to modify that one. If it is a A4, if you want to create a drawing in A4, it will be of 210, 297 by 210. It is the standard A3 size. Next command, Z enter. Z stands for zoom. A enter. Z enter. A enter. What are the 4 initial settings? Units, limits, Z enter, A enter. Okay. And in the menu bar, go to Format. Next setting. Format, Dimension Style. Dimension Style. Click on that one. One dialog box will be opened with the name Dimension Style Manager. In that, modify. In that, click on the modify. Here, another dialog box will be opened with the name Modify Dimension Style. In that, there are sub points, ribbon buttons, lines, symbols and arrows, text, fit, primary units, alternate unit tolerances. First of all, symbols and arrows. Click on the symbols and arrows. In the drawing, it is the rules are like that. Arrow size should be of 3:1. So arrow size 3. Placing text as per the dimensions of the initial sketch. You can mention it the text relatively. I am keep by default. I am keeping it as 5. Go to primary units. Precision 0. Precision 0. Okay. When remember one thing, when we modify certain thing in the modify, it is mandatory to click on the set current. Set current, clicking on the set current is mandatory. Close. Okay. In the next classes, we are going to see one by one how we will draw the conic sections, engineering curves by using this AutoCAD software. Thank you.